at my door. Oh, it's just you. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. Gotta lock the door for safety reasons. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my apartment. I just went to my apartment at school and it's not 100% done, but it's like 85% done. So I'm just going to show y'all what we've done so far and probably tell y'all a little bit of things that we're going to do as well. So let's first start off in the living room. This is our living room. This right here, we're going to start from the very beginning. This is our deep freezer. You know you got to have a deep freezer. A room full of girls that like to shop, you need a deep freezer. We're gonna walk this way. We have a stack of frames, and actually what we're gonna do with them are like print pictures out, like put them on the wall right here, so it'll be nice and homey. So then we have our cute little vases. This is our sofa, and it matches perfectly. See how that happens? Just perfect. This is my book bag. Student, gotta have a book bag. Keep walking. These are some command hooks that we don't need out here, but they're here, so whatever. This is our lovely, lovely poster of Paris. We need one of Atlanta, but this is all they had, so you gotta make it do what it do. Coming outside, we have our nice balcony, and it just looks so. We have a great view of the campus. Like anytime we have a game day, the stadium is literally right there. The stadium is literally right there. We'll be able to see everybody walking to the games. We can actually walk to the game too since we're like right here. And you can just see everything. It's nice and pretty outside today, so great day to film a video. And there's my car down there. All right, back inside. Follow me. I'm gonna lock the door again. You know, safety reasons. So now we're gonna turn this way. We have a chair. I didn't want it in my room, so I brought it in the living room. We have our lovely lamp. Don't pay attention to the to the one without the shade. It's in my car. I forgot to get it, but that's that. This is a piece that we made, me and my roommates made with some yarn and like a little pole, and I think it came out really cute, and it matches everything else nicely. Like it matches the pillows and the bases that you saw earlier. We have a table. We don't have a TV in here. We're working on that. Okay, we're gonna work on that. So now we're gonna walk over here. Oh, lovely flowers, you can't miss that. Can't miss that. So we're walking to our dinner table. And actually these are me and my other roommate's desk put together because we both have vanities and the desks weren't gonna fit. So we put them in here, and we stuck them together, and it looks nice. I think it looks cute as a little diamond table. I was thinking about getting a tablecloth, but we were worried about food dropping on it, so we have to like keep washing it over and over again. So we just put this little thingy on the front. And it's cute. It needs a little iron, but you know, you get it. So now we're gonna walk to the kitchen.
Damn.
So now we're walking in the kitchen. This is our kitchen. It's crazy that like all of our pots and stuff are like red and it matches the kitchen and living room perfectly. But like these walls were already painted, so we didn't have to paint these. They already came like this, and it matches everything that we already had from our last apartment. Oh, and if you didn't see that red light, it makes a nice little, you know, little song. Nice little red light. Anyway, back to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. We have a dishwasher here. We have a nice little sink area. Don't mind the rag we use to wash our dishes. It needs to be clean, but that's whatever. This is our oven and microwave. Some nice appliances over there. We have our pots and pans down here. Pots and pans. And then we have like our spice cabinet. It's kind of sparse, but we just moved in, so you know, it'll build up over time. Then we have our pantry with all of our things on it. Comment down below if you can guess which shelf is mine. Shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Comment down below which one you think is mine. But that is that. So now we're gonna walk into our laundry room. And this is where we keep, I mean, obviously we do our laundry in here. You know, what else can you do with the laundry room? But this is our shelves for our laundry detergent and cleaning supplies, whatever. Comment down below if you can guess which shelf is mine in here. Shelf 1, 2, or 3. And we also keep our brooms, mops, dustpans, all of that in here. And this is my laundry basket because I'm in the middle of doing laundry. And yeah, that's our laundry room. Now we're gonna go ahead and walk towards the kitchen. We're gonna walk, towards the kitchen, towards the hallway. So this is the hallway. It's nice and long. So this is our hallway. We're gonna start with my picture. It says love. Love, 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 love. Oh, this is my room. Come on in, come on in. So we're gonna start with my hook. This is where I keep my keys, my wallet. This is my light and fan right here. So walk on in, walk on in. This is my elephant. This is my Delta wall. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And I just decided to make this like a little Delta wall. So I'm gonna get some more stuff as time goes. I'm gonna go on Amazon and see what I can get to put on the wall because it looks kind of plain, but it's a work in progress. Next we have my TV. Y'all don't know the struggle about putting this TV on this wall. It was a struggle. But either way, it's on here, it's good. We got it up here. It's a mount. I can pull it out, turn it to the side, turn it to the other side, twist it, turn it, and it's good. But yeah, so I got my TV on the wall. Here I have my shoe rack. I have all my shoes. I got like a bunch of shoes that I don't even wear. I only wear slides. If y'all know me, y'all know slides are the only shoes that I wear at the house. But I have this picture frame right here. I had this since freshman year. It was black at first, but I painted it gold when I changed my room colors to this color. And I just have like all my little friends or whatever in the picture. So now we have my bed. It looks kind of messy now. Hold on. We gotta get her situated. She done been through it all, y'all. Some nice little lights. I got these pictures right here from Hobby Lobby like last year. And I still kept them because they're cute and it ties the room together or whatever. But here I have my vanity. This is where I do all my makeup, my hair, all of that stuff. So yeah, I just got this picture at the top from Hobby Lobby as well. She's going places because I am, obviously. Anyway, but yeah, this is my vanity. This is where I do my makeup and stuff. Here's my mirror. This is my closet, sliding door closet. And I have all my clothes in here. I really have a lot of stuff. All the stuff that I didn't know where to put it yet, I just put it in the closet. And it's just in the bottom here. So this is my ring light bag. I got like my crochet stuff, my hair stuff, a bunch of clothes that I do not wear. I need to go through these and get some clothes away. And I also have like 3 boxes of clothes too somewhere. I don't know, they're under the bed. But yeah, so I got a lot of stuff that I have to go through and give away. But now we're gonna go into the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. It's blue, light blue, and like light blue. This has been my room color, my bathroom color since like 2 years ago. I don't know, whatever. But this bathroom is kind of small, but I mean you have to make it do what it do. So right here I have my rack for like all my hats and stuff. So like when I go to class, my hair look a mess one day, just get a hat, put it on. Right here I have a medicine cabinet. I can put all my necessities in here. I have my mirror, obviously. I have my mirror here, obviously. Then I have my little elephant. I might put her on that table that was in there, but I have my little elephant. She's so cute. And then I have like all my toothbrush and all that. So here, this was actually combined. Like the two of these things right here were stacked on top of each other. But since this thing was in the way, I couldn't put it how I wanted it. Like I had it last year, so I had to separate them or whatever. But it's whatever. So I just put all of my face stuff on here, and obviously this big old thing of Eco Styler because where else can I put it? But right here. So I have that. I have my nice little toilet seat cover to match my little rugs that's in my bathroom. Everything is blue, so freaking cute. Then I have my little organizer drawers right here that I put like my towels at the top. I put like shampoos, conditioners, like everything else in the rest of the drawers. And then here is like extra space, like the stuff that I use like on the daily. I just put up here, and I have them up here with command hooks, and I hope that it stays on the whole year. So this is the rest of the hallway. I'm not going to go in their rooms obviously, but these are my roommates' rooms. It's a room right here, a room right here, and a room right there. And yeah, that is that. So that about concludes this tour. So I'm going to walk y'all out of my house. It's been lovely. So So yeah, that concludes this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked everything that you saw. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace. Bye y'all.